Basic scratch across the boards. The black that's on there is the blue is the blue coming off the key. So as you rub it, you can kind of get rid of that blue that's on there. With a composite board, do the same thing, same pressure. Now, I would always do this over a white tablecloth or just a white piece of paper, because what I was showing is as I would do this, this material is all coming off the surface of it. You're actually cutting into the board whenever you get a scratch on it.
If you drag your chair, like your chair, patio chairs or something, right?
When you scratch into it, you create a path. Now next time it rains, next time you spill something on it, there's actually a place to trap moisture into the surface of that board. With ours, it's going to be surface scratches. Again, get the blue off there, otherwise you'll bake the blue in. If there are any surface scratches on it, you take your heat gun, just do half the boards. That fast, you can see the difference in where there were scratches.
Yeah, you can already see that this from here over.
The screw test, workability. You know, from here I would always talk about the weight. So if I was in front of a contractor or a lumberyard or I had them both samples, they'd feel the weight difference. You know, right, they do the imaginary scale all the time. Oh wow, this one's so much heavier. Talk about the lengths, how you can carry longer lengths, all those things that we talked about earlier. And then the workability. That leads into workability and fastening. With composite deck boards, you do need to pre-drill. If you don't pre-drill, you can see, if you don't pre-drill, you get the mushrooms. You go too close to the edge, obviously you're going to split it out. Even if you put a screw back that 3/4 of an inch, or as far back as they want you to, there's so much pressure. These boards are packed so tight when they're made. They're made very tight, compressed. There's no place for a screw to go into it. If you don't pre-drill, you drive the screw in, the pressure just builds up in there. It's got to release itself at some point. So it's going to just sit there, the pressure's going to build up until it has a hairline crack in it. Azek deck, go right on the edge, as close as I can. Right into the surface of it. No cracks on the edge. Again, that's the cellular nature of it. That ping pong ball example of driving a screw into the ping pong balls. They can compress on themselves, create a path to go through.